I'm often asked, why don't we provide templates for these equipment analysis? Templates are a way to save some time to do these strategy developments, but it's very dangerous because the templates come from different industries, different organizations, different skill levels. So just applying a template may actually be dangerous, and best not to do that. So our recommendation is, if you want to use templates, it has to be from a view of a very experienced facilitator that knows the dangers of implementing templates and that can also review these templates and make them specific to the operating context. Aladon do supply templates to our clients that have embraced our methodologies, that understand it, that has been fully trained and experienced in using those templates. For other clients, we prefer not to provide those templates because even though that it sounds like a shortcut, it may be a dangerous shortcut.